Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name's Dipesh Patel, editor at Trade Finance Global and host of the podcast Trade Finance Talks. Today's Tradecast, sponsored by Bank of America, is brought to you live virtually at Sibos. So welcome to our LinkedIn viewers, our YouTube Live, Facebook, and those joining us on the Zoom webinar. Thank you very much. Today, I'm delighted to be joined by Geoff Brady, Head of Global Trade and Supply Chain Finance at Bank of America. We have Madhav Goparaju, Head of Digital Transformation of Trade and Supply Chain Finance at Bank of America, and Chris Doroszczyk, Head of Strategy and Business Development for Cloud at IBM. Thank you very much for joining us. So it's been quite the journey when we talk about supply chain disruption, particularly in and around COVID and the COVID pandemic. It's had a huge impact to lives and livelihoods around the world. But I think here today, we want to discuss how the pandemic has changed trade and supply chain finance for the better. How has that also helping us work with our MSMEs who are always looking for access to trade, receivables, and supply chain finance. So to get started, Geoff, I'm going to hand the mic over to you. So if you can give a quick introduction to us, tell us a little bit about yourself and where you're from and what you do at Bank of America.
Thanks, Dipesh. Great to be back. I know we've done one of these Sibos before. I'm Geoff Brady, and I'm the head of supply chain and global trade at Bank of America. I'm based in New York. I've been at Bank of America now for about 3 years.
Madhav, over to you.
Thank you, Madhav Goparaju. I lead the digital transformation for trade and supply chain finance. For Bank of America. I'm based in Chicago. Been with the bank for a couple of years now. Background both in banking and consulting, so looking forward to it. I've done these at Sibos a few times before, so looking forward to it.
Great, and Chris, over to you.
Good morning, Christopher Doroszczyk, Head of Markets, Strategy and Business Development, IBM Cloud. Very grateful to be with such a prominent audience and across the world. I look forward to the topics of trade finance and security that IBM provides across the world.
Thank you very much. So now we will go into our introduction.
What should the world expect from a bank? Perhaps a bank dedicated to meeting the challenge of change. A bank that honors the business environment and the natural environment with equal passion. Providing people and businesses the tools and insights they need to succeed. And offering people and communities the resources to flourish. A bank that recognizes that economies fluctuate, but values don't. And never forgetting, our only ambition is to help you fulfill yours. What would you like the power to do?